Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer Ethereum from Robinhood to MetaMask. So, if you bought ETH on Robinhood, let's move it to MetaMask safely. So what you will have to do is of course go to the official MetaMask and of course log in with your account. And now that you're here, you will have to basically look for your Ethereum wallet address. So it should be right here. It really depends on the layout of your screen. So what you will have to do once you see your Ethereum wallet address is basically you will just have to copy that, and once you copy it, you will make sure that MetaMask is set to Ethereum mainnet. Then you will open your Robinhood and then you will tap Ethereum and then you will just have to select send or withdraw. And after that, you will paste your MetaMask address and then you will double click the first and the last four characters. And then after that, you will enter the amount of ETH to send and you will review network fees, Ethereum gas fees vary. So after all that, you will just have to click submit or confirm and then complete any security verification. And after that, of course, wait a few minutes and then the transfer may take time depending on your network congestion. And you will just have to check MetaMask to confirm the receipt. And that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.